Hello, this is my haul video for our Universal Disney trip. We were in Universal in Florida, on May 29th, 30th, and 31st. Then we were at Disney from the 31st until Saturday the 5th. And then we came back on Sunday. So I've unpacked all of our suitcases, but I have not unpacked the stuff we bought. I know it looks like a lot, but we did drive, so I maybe bought a little bit more than I normally would since I didn't really have to worry. So yeah, so I still haven't sorted all this yet. So we'll just start with stuff that's not in bags. So when you're at Universal, they have the wax molds. So I actually got two of each of these. These three are Jenny's. I've already put mine in my case. We had to buy a beach towel because if you saw any of the videos, Haley is in a wheelchair. So when you're at Disney, the tops of her legs started to burn. So we had to get this to cover her legs. When we were at Disney, we also each bought some mouse ears that we wore while we were there. So Haley got the Loki ones. I got these Loungefly ones. And Abby just got the classic Minnie and Minnie. Let's go over here for a second. I also save all my receipts and all that. And then for every trip, I normally do a folder like this, and I date it, and I put all my receipts and maps and stuff like that will fit in there in this manila thing. Jenny does scrapbooking, and she saves all of hers for her scrapbooks. I don't really have time for scrapbooking, but I do like to save everything, so I save it in folders like this. If it's a trip that I have more stuff that's not too flat, then I do a container like this. So my Disney stuff in a container like this. So just like I put the magic bands in there, our room, I have to save 2 soaps. She had a happy birthday button for Abby, and then these are all my receipts. Obviously I bought a lot. The maps. So all that stuff goes in there. Like the spoon will all go in there. So these are the Galaxy's Edge gift cards that are $100. I bought 2 of these for $200. Well, you have to pay 5 each for them, so it was really $210 because I knew I was going to pay $200 for Haley's lightsaber. So I bought these so I could have these as a souvenir. I don't know if you've seen these. Let me pause this for a second and open it. Okay, so they are, oh man, it's hard to do this with one hand. They are a metal coin. So essentially, I guess it's glued in there, so I don't really want to take it all the way out. So that's a metal coin. And so I guess that would be what the currency is at Galaxy's Edge. And so, yeah, it's a gift card. You're paying $5 to have it, but I just really wanted it. So went ahead and got 2 of those. All right, so when you use them, they don't make you take them out of the plastic because they can just scan the back of that, but these have been used. And then when you eat at Oga's Cantina, you get these coasters. So I have 8 because we went 2 times, and they have like different backs. I don't know how many different ones there are, but we did keep those. But again, I keep everything. It'd be interesting to find out how many different coasters they have. All right, this is, we also, in the past we've done a lot of Squish Pennies. I didn't do too many this trip. These are I can't read this. Oh, I went ahead and got Pandora ones. Then these are all the Harry Potter ones. There's 24 Harry Potter ones. And then these are, they had a brand new one for the opening of the Velocicoaster. So these are the Velocicoaster ones. All right, so I got the PhotoPass package at Disney. And when you do that, no, this is Universal. Yeah, I bought the 3-day photo package at Universal. And when you do that, you get 2 prints for free. So you have to remember to pick them up your last day. So this is just a family one of us together. And then I got the Velocicoaster one because, that was officially did not open until the 10th. We were there before it opened, but we were able to still ride it, so that was awesome. I mean, I'll never ride it again, but it was still awesome that we had the chance. I'm just gonna set that there. Okay, let's go back over here. All right, so we originally were going to go last year for Haley's birthday, and I promised her that she could do a lightsaber for her birthday, April last year. It got canceled because of COVID, so we went this time. So I still let her do a lightsaber. So that's what's in here. So when you build a lightsaber, they give you get this carrying case for it. And then when you pick, I think there's 3 types of lightsabers you can build. When you pick your lightsaber, they give you a pin, and you put it on your shirt, and that's so the Jedis know, or the rebels or Jedis, I don't know. They know which one you're building, and so she had to wear that pin. They now have a feature that you have to pick which part you want for each lightsaber when you're building the lightsaber. So there's more than one part, but you only pick one. So now they let you buy extra parts. They used to not to, but people were like, oh, I want them all. So you can buy 2 extra parts, which is what we did. So here, so she can change these out later on. So these are the 2 extra parts she bought for her lightsaber. So I'm gonna pause again and take it out of the case. Hold on a second. All right, so when you build it, you have to pick which color of kyber crystal you want. She picked purple. So this is her lightsaber. It's very heavy. I was actually surprised how heavy it is. And where's the button? So then you do this button to turn it on. So it's now red because she did switch the kyber crystals, but you can take it out and change it. And it makes sounds, obviously, you can hear it. And when you're like swing it, and then if you like, see, Haley's better at it than me. So it makes different sounds depending on how you move it. And so that's her lightsaber. So this is not a character lightsaber. When you build a lightsaber, it's not like Rey's or Darth Vader. It's just that you're making your own. So it's not a character, it's your own lightsaber. But she can like change out that part. Maybe it's there, I don't know. And then she can change her bottom if she wants. And then she can change the kyber crystal to have different colors for the lightsaber. So she also has a purple one, and then we bought a couple others. I think I also bought her the red and blue, maybe green. I'm not for sure. But we did buy her a couple other kyber crystals. So I'm gonna pause for a minute and put this back in the case. Hold on 1 second. All right, so I'm gonna move some of the stuff around. Oh, and Harry Potter, every place now has reusable bags that you pay extra for. So this is a small one I bought at Harry Potter. All right, let's move some stuff out of the way so I can start seeing what I got. So let's start with the universal ones. All right, so at Harry Potter, we did buy some treats that we already ate, but I did keep the boxes. So we got jelly slugs, which we ate. They were okay. Oh wait, there's still chocolate in here. The Choco Choc. It has dark chocolate with chili powder. That was okay. There's still some left. We didn't eat all that. This is caramel cobwebs. That was white chocolate with caramel flavored. I actually really like those. I'd get those again. This is, I got me a new squish penny book to put the Harry Potter ones in. I think this is Abby. She likes playing cards. So she got a Jurassic World playing cards. And this is a Velocicoaster grand opening pin. This is not, there's another pin that I think they released the day it opened and gave out, and I think it had the date on it. So that's not it. This is just a general one, but I went ahead and bought it since I did write it before the grand opening. All right, so let's set that for a second. All right, where's more Universal? Oh, okay, so this one is Haley's. She wanted this stuffed animal. So this was at a cart like at City Walk. I guess it's a Hello Kitty something. I don't know if it says what it is. I don't know. I'm not familiar with Hello Kitty. But anyway, she wanted that plush. So that is Haley's. Here's another Harry Potter bit. Alright, this is, we bought at the, oh, I don't know the name of it, where you buy creatures at Diagon Alley. So this is from Fantastic Beats. It's a bendable bow truckle. Haley wanted one of those. And I got me one. And I also got me a Cornish pixie. This is also a bendable one. And then Abby wanted one of the, one of these. This is called, why can't I think of the name off the top of my head? I don't know. It has a name, but I can't think of it off the top of my head. So if anyone can comment. And it makes a sound, I think. Yep, there it is. So that is Abby's. Okay, so this is the other thing I got at Universal. So when we went last year, I got the limited edition 2020 wand. So I wanted to get the 2021 wand this year. Well, when we were there, it actually was sold out. So I was a little disappointed because I wanted that to be my main souvenir. So since I couldn't get that, I got this instead. So that's why we didn't buy any wands or anything this trip, because we actually have several wands. This is our 4th time being to Universal in the last 3 years. So we've actually bought a lot of stuff in the past, so that's why we don't have as much this time. All right, so this is from the Noble collection. And this is a Nimbus 2000 statue. So that's what you put it on. One second. All right, this is what the Nimbus 2000 looks like. So you just set it on that stand. So that is what I got instead of the 2021 wand, since it was sold out. I think it's either 75 or 85 for the wand, and I checked on eBay and it's already going for like 150 on eBay, so I'm like, fine, I won't need that. This is what I got as my souvenir instead. So I think that is about it for Universal.